So in order to do this next question, we would take the e's. So we've got 3e plus 8e. And then we take the f's, where we've got 7f, take away 2f. Now just collect those individually. So 3 plus 8 is 11e. 7 take away 2 is 5f. So the answer is 11e plus 5f. And it's a plus because this is positive 5. What a lot of people did was put negative 5 because they saw a negative here. But it's just 7f take away 2f, which is positive 5f. So Bart has 500 counters in a bag. He gives 125 counters to Lindsay, 80 to Nigel and 95 to Inigo. What fraction of the 500 counters is left in Bart's bag? Well, we need to work out what Lindsay plus Nigel plus Inigo is. So that's 125 plus 80 plus 95, which if you put on the calculator is 300. Now, that is what has gone because he's given that. So what is left is 500, so the original amount, take away that 300 to give us 200. So what fraction of the 500 counters is left? Well, it's 200 over 500, and we can divide top and bottom by 100, which gives us 2 over 5, because we can get rid of 2 zeros, top and bottom. So that comes out as 2/5.